Hi guys, this is Mr. Z. Today I'll review the different kinds of rephrasing softwares. By rephrasing, I mean plagiarism tools. No, not necessarily. These are rewriters, AI rewriters, spinners. That's it. So back then, the technology to rewrite or rephrase, because you have a mental block, writer's block, whatever. It used to be spinning. That was the only technology available back then. So it changes the words, the synonyms. I don't know what the hell they're talking about here. ENL spinning algorithm, whatever. So this is the pricing for Spin Rewriter for 7 a month. I think they're pushing this 77 a year. 497 single payment like LTD. To tell the truth, it's still old technology. They got left behind. They used to be my favorite, but it has its uses still, but it got left behind by its competition, which is this guy, Word AI. Back then, you could say they were unfairly priced because they were only marginally better than Spinrewriter. Sometimes Spinrewriter is better, and it's not the percentage of uniqueness. It's not always that unique. Spinrewriter had better. Um, it was better at passing copyscape plagiarism checks. But now it incorporates a combination of spinning, their in-house spinning technology, and AI. So that's why it got much better, much better. So that's it. End of the show. So when it comes to quality, it's not bad, but this is really for people who need to rewrite a lot, like a lot. Um, if you're just gonna rewrite or rephrase just a page or two, other tools would do nicely, such as Quillbot, which we'll talk about later. I'll show you how much usage. My usage is because you get 3 million words a month, and I pay monthly because I don't always use it, you know. So it's 57 if you pay it monthly. It's it boils down to 27 per month if you're gonna buy it yearly. So if you're gonna use it all the time, that's much better deal. 27. Look at that. I'm actually trying to save my credits to 2,990,043. I'm almost gonna reach my quota. So there, because I'm a heavy user. That's the reason. That's the only reason why I have it. Because I only have two choices. I could use Spin Rewriter, which I already have lifetime, but this is now much better. Word AI. So the other one, if you're just gonna rewrite, a page or two, there's your other option, Quillbot. I personally, because I personally used it, use the service from their website itself. They also have a good feature. This one, grammar checker. It's one click. They correct everything with one click, but it's not gonna be perfect. There's a better version of that. It's called instatext. So this is the more intelligent version of that. But anyway, where was I? If you want to save, this is my, I think this is the safe one, fluency. If you want, more creative, more better at rewriting. How do I put that? But you can just play around with the modes. So this is the, because I already did this, to tell you the truth, for my own use. The reason why I'm making this content now is someone posted in the forums. He's asking the best way to rewrite. So might as well. I'm just gonna, I will share this. So this is the original text, and I rewrote it with the best settings, paragraph rewriting only. So there, that was the outcome. You can judge for yourself. Then this one is Word AI, best settings. To tell the truth, the best setting, the medium, and the most aggressive one, they're roughly the same in terms of uniqueness. Yeah, that was the word I was looking for. But the quality, because sometimes the aggressive, I'll just show you. Because when you write an article, where's that? The settings, I mean. This is what I'm talking about. Sometimes it comes up with unusual words you do not use. That's why I never use that one. So the outcome would be something like, let's say 80% unique. When it's in regular, it's still 80% unique. When it's in the most conservative, it's still 80% unique. So it doesn't really make much difference. That's why I always choose the best setting. I don't want to consume my credit, but fine. But I already did this. I'm not gonna paste this one. No, let's just try this one. Because in the document, I chose the most conservative one. There. And that's how it works. It's roughly the same, but you might encounter some surprise words when you do the aggressive setting. So far, it's all safe words. I'll copy this anyway. So you can just copy. It's gonna be, with the HTML and all that. That's why this is what I do. I have to mark it, and so the output can be syntax, or you know in case you want to rewrite it yourself. If you have a spinner, because this is in syntax, you can come up with unlimited variation. So I'll just save that here. Wordai worst setting. Just for comparison. What do they call that? Creative, I think. More adventurous. Adventurous mode. So there, for reference. No, but I'll tell you the results later. So this is the, so you write something. This is the best settings. Oh wait, no. This is the best settings. I don't use this. It will create more garbage. So that's the best settings. No, always off. Always off. Structure phrases and then no, always off. And here, best settings. Only the best. Not even standard mode. No, never. That's it. Should I? No, but I already have the results. So there. So now we're in Wordtune. It's really buggy. If you use the platform itself, it's buggy. It's already pasted. Control A. It's hidden. Sometimes this even entirely disappears. Stupid. So I never use that because it's stupid. But it's brilliant if you use it on Google Docs. And you also can't use it on MS Word. So you're forced to use Google Docs. Or Grammarly. Yeah, I sometimes edit it, use it on Grammarly. In Grammarly. So the new feature is this, but it's still in beta. So that used to be the first, that used to be the how it used to work. Sentence only. Sentence rewriting. Oh, it's pretty slow. I don't know why. Is it my connection? Not so good. 1,000,001 things. Not so good. Okay. The violet means the changed. Oh, great. You know, this is really the best tool. Although they're stupid in the actual homepage. Like, like they're the best, but their home is shit. It's something like that. But they're the best. Like this is my go-to tool when I need to final edit something, including my writers. So don't visit their home because you might be misled into thinking they're. But this is actually the best. Much better than its competitor, Quillbot, which later we'll look at. So anyway, so that was one click, right? Almost one click. Paragraph mode. If you just want to rewrite, then I don't even read it. I'm not even reading it. Boom, I'm just clicking. That wasn't so bad. Now let's check the quality. I really never read it. I just look at the violet. How many words were changed? Our lives are fast-paced, stress and can be overwhelmed. Each person has their own life safety valve. Some work well for them, others not so much. It's an expression. Imagination nostals. What? It's not just one mountain. A result of the many of a commonly mistaken for, in addition to its many. That's also good. It's actually good. It's always good. It's one of my favorite tools. You can't go wrong with this. But this is not for, bulk rewriting. This is more of a surgical tool. If you really want to finesse it, that's what it's used for. Honestly, I don't use the paragraph function because I have Wordai. I use it to, finesse, as I've said. Sentence mode only. So I'll copy paste this, and you can just check it out later. What's that name? Wordtune. Wordtune. That's it. Wordtune. What else? Oh, Quillbot. Let's do Quillbot. You might not realize this just from watching this video, but once you actually use these tools, you'll understand why Wordtune is superior. Let's see, standard, creative. No, but this would be safer, uh, because we're testing for quality, and it's one click. This is how I use it. Not on. I could use it on also on Google Cloud, but I have Wordtune. How would I bother with that? This is more for in between. So halfway between this guy, what's the name of this guy? Word AI and Wordtune. What's in between? Quillbot. That's what's in between. If I need to like rephrase a few paragraphs, this is what I would use. Otherwise, let's check it out. Some work well for them, while others do not. To relieve some of the stress, we need a safety mechanism. See, that's a mistake. There are several life-saving gadgets available. You can actually do that. Change it on a word level, not just sentence, not just paragraph. Techniques, you know. Or you can choose an entire sentence. So this is, I call it the Wordtune mode, because it's trying to mimic what Wordtune originally or really does, which is, you know, fine tune sentences. But this time it did not work. There. This is like the weaker version of Wordtune. I mean, you saw it. There were like 10 choices, but, well, so there. If you use, oh, wait, we're at their home. Let's try just to show you how many it can come up with. It. Sentence mode. That's already how many. And there are 3 modes. 1, 2, 3. No, 4, 5. Collective definition of meditation does not exist. The syndicate does not exist. Due to the fact that meditation has numerous whatever. There are many options, right? You saw it. So there I've shown you the many options. This is really not for bulk, like an entire page. It can be, but that's not what it's designed for. Maybe they're they're on the path to being a Quillbot, but the smarter version of Quillbot, maybe. Because now they have the paragraph. What's next? The entire page. Just like Quillbot. Maybe. So what else? Oh yeah, instatext. Where's that? So this is the one-click grammar corrector. It's not cheap. Well, I mean, if you don't use it often, it can be cheap. So this is the website of instatext. You can actually test it for yourself instantly. This is the pricing. You can even find a discount somewhere. See? But there's a downside to this. That's why I'm paying monthly. Because if you pay that, because I'm a heavy user, you only get 3 million characters for the entire year. You can find discount codes. I don't know how I found one, but I think I googled it. So there. If you're not a heavy user, so 1 million characters, that's like about 200,000 words. So I'm getting that a month, 200,000 words. I'm paying like $24 something. So I get 200,000 words because if you're paying monthly, you get 1 million characters a month. But if you're paying yearly, you only get 3 million characters the whole year. So it can be expensive, can be cheap. In my case, I need to buy 2 per month. I own, it's only been like a week or 2 weeks, and that's only, I don't know, that's about 3 books maybe, 2 books. So there. Anyway, it's also here. I showed it to you. This is more for spinners, but sure, you can use it like, but Wordtune is already good enough. But why not? Oh, Quillbot, I forgot to copy paste. Sorry. Let's copy paste. No, but that would be cheating because I already changed something. Let's go with change. There. Copy. Quillbot. Raw. Oh, what was that? Standard mode? Okay. Then we'll do Quillbot instatext. Instatext. Each everyone. See? It managed to catch that. Each everyone has their own life safety valve. Everyone has their own safety valve. For life? For life. Some work well for... Some work well, while others do not. To reason such as being inside mechanism that many industrial technology. Implementation illustration blah. It's more than just a single peak. That doesn't make sense. It failed to catch it. There's several routes that lead to it. Maybe the original is single goal. What is the original? Ah, the mountain of meditation is not one thing. So it's bad. Quillbot didn't get it. Let's see if Wordtune did. Kinda got it. Meditation is not just one mountain. Yeah, sure. It kind of works. Rather than this, right? Meditation is more than simply a single peak. Doesn't make sense. Oh wait, I'm looking here. Because of numerous different disciplines are sometimes confused for it. So anyway, you can read it on your own time. Chovy. And last step, I'm going to instatext this. But it's already good. Oh, by the way, you can reject the correction, but you can't make it correct what it does not see. For example, reject. So it reverts back to its original. This is Wordtune. Let's see. Why so short? Is this everything? I missed this part. Which is actually the heading for the next chapter. Our lives are fast-paced, stressed. It's even better. Our lives are fast-paced, stressful, and can be overwhelming at times. Everyone has their own outlet for coping with life. As original. Some of these pressures. Some of that pressure. There are many safety mechanisms, but meditation is the most valued and trusted. Meditation is not just a mountain. There are many paths. I'm not a native English speaker. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. Mountain? Meditation is not just a mountain. I don't know. A mountain to overcome? Is it? If I were editing this, I would just delete that part. But it's better than Quillbot's version. It's not just one mountain. How many paths lead to it? You are too deeply immersed. If you snore, where's the snore? If you snore just after a few minutes, you are you are too deep in it. Where's that? If you snore just, you are too deep into it. Many other practices are commonly, no, are often, yeah, sure. Where's that? So Wordtune, instatext. Oh, there. I'm just gonna tell you the why so long. Why are they so long? Why is this so short? It's like the long version. I don't know where I got that because I did this like 3 weeks ago. So anyway, the conclusion here is Word AI plus instatext. Excellent. Best results. Spinrewriter best settings plus instatext. Possible, but not Word AI level. Word AI without Word AI best set or whatever. They're all the same anyway. Best setting, almost adventurous, regular, and the most conservative. They're practically all the same. With Word AI, doesn't really matter. But so no, let me put it this way: as our best settings alone, trash. I mean, for human, like pure human consumption, not just web content writing. No, that's not gonna work. As our best settings plus instatext. That can work, but it still needs to be, edited. It will miss some mistakes. Now, Word AI without instatext, it still works. Word AI with instatext, much better. So that's what it is. The other ones I just did right now. You can just check it out for yourself. Okay. See you next time. Wow, 30 minutes. Didn't mean to. The links will be somewhere down